solution to this example, first thing we're going to do is highlight those cells. So because they're next to each other, it makes it easier to identify them. I'm going to go insert, and we ask for a column graph. So over here we're going to choose a 2D column, and I'm going to fit it nicely into here. The next thing we ask for is a line graph. So same thing, I'm going to highlight those, insert, you'll see a line. I'm going to choose one with some markers, and I can put it down here. And the last one is to create a pie graph. So we highlight the area, go insert, there's a pie here. It will be fancy, we'll use one of the 3D ones. And we've created our pie chart.